Good morning, dear friends. Let us start chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Numbers and numbers. Star, pentagon, square, square, star, pentagon. You can put here equal and put sum here. So, suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is the sum? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Suppose we add 1 plus 3 plus 2, means we are adding 3 first, then 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. It means if we change the order, if we change the sequence, sum doesn't change. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is also 6. First we have added 1, then 2, then 3. In this sequence we have added 1 to 3, then 2, but sum in each case becomes same. Again, if we add 3 plus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1 plus 2, 6, means sum doesn't change by changing sequence. Okay, sum doesn't change by changing sequence. It remains same. Suppose we have 42, 62, 92. Okay, 42 if added to 62, then added to 92, or it will be same when we add 92, 42 to 62. Okay, the sum remains same even if we change the order. Suppose 87, 39, 52. Oval shape 87, this square shape or kite shape 39, this rectangular shape 52. So if we change the order, rectangle 52, oval 87, and square or kite 39, still the sum remains same. So if we change the order, if we change the sequence, sum doesn't change. Okay, so this is a property of sum, that sum doesn't change while we change the sequence or order of the numbers in case of addition. Okay, now are they equal? Yes, they were equal. So fill in the blank spaces with the same way. Okay, you can see 34 is added to 14 to added to 20. It remains same when we change the order. So 14 is taken first, then we can take square box 34, then we can take circle 20. Sum remains same in both the case. Here you can see in middle 42 is there, so we can put 42 in between. Now if we change the sequence, means this hexagon is here, 80, here we can have 65. Sum remains same if we change the order. Sum remains same if we change the sum remains same even if we change the order. Now you can see 200 plus 300 plus 400 is there. We have to put here 400. Now here we can put 300. Here we can put 200. We are just changing the order of the number. Sum remains same. Here we can have 28, 42, 79. If we change the order, 79, 42, 28, sum remains same. Similarly, for multiplication, 48 is multiplied to 113, remains same. 13 is multiplied to 48. So, multiplication and addition doesn't change when we change the sequence. Okay, so you can check product of these two number, then product of these two number, it will be same. And you can write in comment box what is the multiplication of these two number. Left, right, same to same. Can you see something special about 121? You can observe here 121 is there. 121. Is there anything special here? See, it is the same forward as well as backward. Okay, 1, 2, 1. This number is 1, 2, 1. If we change the sequence, 1, then 2, then 3. Again the same. So this is from, if we read it from the forward or if we read from the backward, it remains same, 1 to 1. But it's just a number. Oh yes, it's a 1 to 1 from right, 1 to 1 from the left. Come, let's see how to get such numbers. Let us see 43. Is it special number? No. Because it will change when I will change the sequence. It will become 34. So, how to make that number? Let us change the space. 3 unit place, ones place on tens place and tens place on ones place. So 3 become tens place unit. Change the place. 4 like this. Okay. 8 plus 4, 12, 2, carry over 1, 8 plus 4, 12 and 1, 13. Is it a special number? No, it is not a special number because when we change the sequence, it becomes 2, 3, 1. So, let us have 2, 3, 1. Now, add these two. It becomes 3, 6, 3. Now, it is a special number. Read from the forward or read from the backward. 3, 6. 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3. Okay. So in this way, we can make special numbers. Now we can make special numbers out of these three. Let us start with 132. If this is easy, you can make this easily. Write me in comment box what is special number out of this 28. I will make from 132. Let us have 132. Is it special number? No. So what we have to do? We have to reverse the digits. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Is it a special number? No. Then add this. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. Is it special number? Yes. 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3. Okay. Now let us see 273. Is it special? No. So change the digit place. It become 3, 7, 2. Is it special? No. Let us add 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry over 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 645. Is it special number? No. Let us change the place. 5, 4, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. Carry over 1. 4 plus 4, 8 and 1, 9. 5 and 6, 11. Is it a special number? 1911. 1191. No, it is not a special number. So let us change the places. 1911. Now add these. 2, 9 and 1, 10, 0, carry over 1, 9 and 1 10, carry over 1 11, 1 and 1 2. So it is 2102. 2102. Is it a special number? No. Change the digit. 2012. Now add 2 plus 2, 4, 1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4. Now it becomes a magic number. 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4. Okay. So this is a special number. So we can make special numbers like this. Change the order, add the number. If it is special, then okay. Otherwise, again change the order, add the numbers. Okay. So 28 is very easy now. You can write me in comment box what is the special number out of 28. Now let us see words in a special way. No. If we change the order, it becomes on. If we change the lemons, S N O M E L. No. On. Melon, N O L E M. Step, T E T S. Pets. T O N N O S T E T. Okay, you can see no become on, no becomes on becomes no, steps become pets, pets become steps. Okay, so in this way we can the words changes from left to right, left. Okay, we can have a special name like Nitin, Nitin, Nitin. What is special about it? If we read from the forward, Nitin, this will be Nitin, and if we read from the right, Nitin, Nitin. So this is same from forward or reverse. So this is all about this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not done till now. Thank you. And 4 comes on ones place. Okay. Now 43 and 37. Let us add this. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Now it is a special number. If we read from backside 7, 7. From forward 7, 7. So 7, 7 is a special number. Take another example. 48. Is it a special number? No. When we'll change the sequence, it will become 84. So it is not a special number. Let us make it a special. Change the place. 8 at tens, 4 at ones. Now add this. 8 plus 4, 2. 4 plus 8, 12, and carry over here 1.